3 behaviors that will ruin your life. Don't do these things I showed you. Otherwise, your future will be ruined. Let's get started. First of all, don't spend unnecessary time on social media. Yeah, man, that's a bad habit. There are 2 types of social media users. The first type is those who spend their time idly on social media. These people have no goals for the future. The second type of people, those who use social media for business. For these people, social media was like a workplace. Mistake number 2, not investing in yourself. This is a very critical error because people who skip this usually fail. So how do you invest in yourself? For example, reading books, meditating, or learning money education. You can invest in yourself with these habits. Third mistake, you work from morning till night. My friend, don't forget this. The poor always work, but the rich become richer by establishing a system. Like for more videos,